Dr. King, this is a beautiful campus and a historic one. Tell us a little bit about the significance of the history here.
Yeah, so this is one of our 7 campuses, the Educational Cultural Complex, one of our 7 campuses for San Diego College of Continuing Education. And why this campus is historic is because in the 1970s, there were community members who organized so that there would be a college here in the community to offer services, offer classes that were for free for the community members here.
I had a classmate that also was a welder. She was like, yeah, it's really fun. I work on my cars and all that. I was like, what? That's crazy. I started to do my research, started watching videos, TikTok, just showing me cool stuff about welding. And then my mom, my wife, they start saying, you need to start looking into welding schools and all that. It's like what you have interest. And my wife, she just popped up onto the schooling program. And I was like, oh my gosh, it's free too. So I was like, I need to sign up, and that's how the whole deal happened.
Really, anybody is a great candidate for welding. We have an extremely diverse range of students here, from recently graduated from high school to 70-year-old veteran students and anything in between. And they've all been successful. As long as you come in with a mindset of wanting to learn and grow, you can do this well. It's a really immersive experience. It's hands-on training about 6 hours a day. You're gonna experience sparks, grinding, loud noises, but you're gonna learn a skill that you can take with you that's gonna serve you well in the rest of your life.
Well, right now I'm in SMAW1, which is shielded metal arc welding. And right now we're working on beveled plates, so I've been really enjoying learning that. We have a bunch of different projects that we do. First, from safety knowledge to cutting, just all the way down to grinding and just building. That's just all we're doing is learning, constantly learning. We have blueprints, we have math work, so it's very, very informational.
I'm very proud of the glove that me and my classmates made for the MLK parade. It just shows a lot of unity because it's a lot of minorities that also built that globe. So it's a very special thing to me. My teacher was saying, when he came to us saying, oh, we're gonna build a globe, and I'm like, that's crazy. I never built anything like that in my life. How are we gonna do this? So we did the steps. Everything was one by one, so it wasn't too difficult to grasp. I appreciate the process through it because I learned how to do metal fabrication, how to do the process with MIG welding. I did some stick welding. It was a lot of stuff I grasped, and it was just a lot of fun.
You have to be pretty proud of your students, because I have to tell you, when I was talking with them, they were so inspiring. Everyone had a different background, different age, but they all have really clear goals for their future.
Yeah, that's the beauty of our colleges. We have a variety of students. A lot of our students are immigrants, refugees, those seeking asylum from different walks of life, and yet they come here to our college so that they can better the lives of themselves and the lives of their families, to really transform the cycles that they live in and the families that they have. And so when you think about today, you have the opportunity to meet a few of our amazing students. All of our students are like that, but they have their very different stories, right? And so it's all about the stories that they have, which again aligns to our college and the story of San Diego College of Continuing Education.
That does it for us today. We hope you learned something new and maybe even feel inspired to continue your education.